I wanted to thank you for taking the time to learn more about American Security Safes. We have been designing custom high-security safes since 1946. We are also recognized as the largest producer of custom safes for both businesses and homes around the world. American Security has always been at the leading edge of safe design. We were the first to ever design the high-security round door safe, which was an industry standard for years. We were also the first domestically designed UL listed safe. We also provided the very first burglary rated and fire rated safe combined, known as our BF series. And we are also a designer of the very first industry-leading electronic locks. We offer over 400 uniquely designed burglary and fire rated safes. Let's start by looking at our most popular safes, starting with our American-made gun safe series. First, I would like to talk about two uniquely designed gun safes, one being our BFX, which offers a UL RSC Level 1 burglary rating, and the other would be our BF2, which offers a RSC Level 2 burglary rating. Both come with a 120-minute ETL fire rating, and both we offer with a lifetime warranty against theft and fire. Let's talk about our BFX gun safe. The BFX comes standard with a Group 2 spy-proof key locking dial, 5-spoke chrome handle with gear drive. The pull handle comes standard with the weight of this door. The BFX is proudly made in the USA. The BFX series comes with a 1/2-inch solid steel plate door, 1 inch of DryLight behind that, which is a poured fire protection mixture, and then an inner steel liner behind that as well. Comes standard with 1.5-inch bolts that are active all the way around the door, all 4 sides. An ETL rated 120-minute fire rating, UL RSC Level 1 security rating, and a lifetime warranty against theft and fire. So the BFX Boltwork has the longest throw within the gun safe industry, and the reason that's important is to protect against severe pry attack. Another unique design in the BFX Boltwork is we have reinforced this door frame. Most frames have an outer steel liner to hold these bolts. We have also put one within the liner as well, so it's dual reinforced, again protecting it from sledgehammer attacks or from severe pry attack. One of the unique designs of the BFX Boltwork is this gear cam housing, and the reason we designed it that way is this lock, when the safe is locked, the bolt is thrown down in here to the gears. If for some reason there is enough pressure applied to the outside of the safe during attack and it was to break the lock nose, it would stay captured within the gear cam here, and that way you could not get the safe open. The BF2 gun safe is one of the most uniquely designed gun safes in America today. The BF2 offers TL15 rated boltwork, and you can tell that by this is being offset. The lock, the spoke handle, and the pull handle is offset. The outer steel liner is 11 gauge, and then it has an additional 4 gauge inner steel liner compared to our BFX. So that's 5/16 total thickness on the inside. Combined, that's a 1/2 inch of solid steel on the body of this safe. The BFX comes with an RSC Level 1 security rating. That's a 5-minute attack with any common household tools by 1 man. The BF2 comes with an RSC Level 2 security rating. That's a 10-minute attack by 2 men with a much more sophisticated tool complement. The BF gun safe line was a revolutionary design that we introduced in 2005. The design difference was we offered an outer steel liner and an inner steel liner with a poured fire protection material. Most people back then using a drywall as fire protection. This design came from our BF home security safe line that we introduced in 1994. American Security also offers a design of vault doors. The design comes with our BFX design, which gives you a 1/2-inch solid steel plate door, 1 inch of DryLight, and then an inner steel liner. The DryLight is a fire protection barrier, very unique in the safe business. We also offer a step down from that, which is our BFQ design, which is a 1/4 inch plate steel, then the 1/2 inch DryLight, and then an inner steel liner as well. One of the features that we offer with our vault door series is an inner emergency release. If you're inside the safe and the door is shut behind you. In order to get out of the safe with it being locked and you're on the inside, is you would throw this emergency release lever. American Security also offers a line of import gun safes for the more budget-conscious consumer. Our import gun safes are still designed by the same engineering team that designs the BF2 and the BFX gun safes made here in America. Our NF series is at the top of the line of our import gun safes. It offers a 1/4-inch solid steel plate door, 4 layers of drywall, which provides an ETL 90-minute fire rating, an 11-gauge outer steel liner, and then 1.5-inch 4-way Boltwork all the way around the door. The SF series, which falls into the mid-range of our import gun safe line, offers a 3/16-inch solid steel plate door, 3 layers of drywall, which provides for a 60-minute ETL fire rating. It has a 12-gauge outer steel liner, and then for the door, it has 4-way Boltwork with 1.25-inch bolts. The SF series is an excellent choice for those that are looking for a little less fire protection. Our TF series, part of our import gun safe line, is a nice entry-level offering. It provides 3/16-inch solid steel plate door, a 14-gauge outer steel liner on the body, 2 layers of drywall, offering a 30-minute fire protection. Our TF series often appeals to the first-time buyer or somebody that has a small collection of valuables or guns. Our TL line of safes is also an American-made product line. We offer a TL15 rated safe, a TL30 rated safe, and a TL30x6 rated safe, all again built in the United States. Going over our TL15 safe. This safe is uniquely designed, offering a 6-inch thick door, a 3-inch thick body, which both offers a proprietary mix providing burglary and fire protection. All of our TL models, including this TL15, provides a uniquely designed active hard plate behind the lock in case of any severe attack against this lock. Let's review the TL30 product by American Security. And before we start, I'd like to make a point. A lot of safes from the outside look identically the same. This looks very similar to a TL15 rated safe, and this is actually a TL30 rated safe. Double the protection of a TL15. I also want to explain to you a TL test, a tool resistant test. We send this product to UL Laboratories. They have a blueprint, a schematic of all the vulnerabilities of this safe, and they take the most sophisticated tools to attack this safe once it arrives. Tool time is the amount of time the tool is actually touching the safe when they start the clock. They attack this safe for 30 minutes. If they use a tool and they can tell it's not working, they take the tool off the safe and the clock stops. A 30-minute test can take over a day to complete. I want to show you some of the designs of this particular product. This particular door is 6 inches thick, and it is filled with a dense concrete proprietary fill that has steel nuggets and steel shavings throughout the door, helping protect it against very aggressive attacks. The body is a 3-inch thick body. It also has the same fill as the door, again protecting it against any type of attack on the body. So the unique active hard plate that we install on our TL product is installed right behind the lock body. So in case there's any type of aggressive attack on the lock, it'll protect it from severe attack. We've shown you the TL15, the TL30, and now we want to show you the TL30x6. Both the TL15 and TL30 are tested and rated based on the security features of the door. A TL30x6 is tested by the door, but also by the body, all 6 sides, in order to receive the TL30x6 rating. American Security also offers a variety of home safes, 2 of the most popular being the BF home safe and the AM series home safe. One of the unique designs of the BF series is in 1994, you could buy a burglary rated safe or you could buy a fire rated safe, but you couldn't buy a burglary fire rated safe. That's where the BF came into production. We have a safe that has an outer steel liner and an inner steel liner, which encloses a unique fire protection barrier, now providing a fire rated safe This particular safe has a 60-minute fire rating. And then with the door, we have a 1/2-inch solid steel plate on the door and a hard plate that protects the lock as well. So it offers a good UL RSC rating security level and then also a good fire rating. Another great home security safe option is our AM series. That is a step down from our BF series, but it offers a 1/4-inch plate door that is recessed to help against pry attacks. It has a 45-minute fire rating. It comes standard with our ESL5 electronic lock, which is a lock that is backlit. So if you do put it in low lit areas like a closet, it's easy to see, and it comes in 3 different sizes, a 40-inch tall safe, 30 and 20-inch tall safe. In the safe industry, there are many misleading claims, especially in regards to fire ratings. If fire rating, fire protection is important to you, you want to make sure you select a safe that has been fire rated by an independent testing facility. American Security uses an ETL rating or a UL rating in order to secure our fire labels. You can be confident in purchasing an American Security product because of the best warranty in the business, which is backed by 1,400 security professionals nationwide and a technical service department that's based in the United States, available to you 24/7. By now, you should see what makes American Security products such an excellent value. Still, objections to the price of safes come up from time to time. On the outside, many safes look the same. But as we've just demonstrated, American Security brand safes are built and tested to exceed the most rigorous standards so that in the field, when disaster strikes, they perform the way you expect. When you purchase a safe, you make a lifelong investment in the protection of things that matter most. Ask, are you honestly comfortable using a $500 safe to protect $10,000 worth of valuables? Our guess is no. Don't think you have that much worth protecting? Grab a notepad. Jot down the things that you find irreplaceable and you'd be devastated if you lost. Things like family heirlooms, electronics, guns, emergency funds, jewels. These things add up. One of the biggest regrets that most people make is they either didn't buy a safe large enough to store the valuables they would hate to lose, or they didn't buy the level of protection needed for these type of things. We are proud that American Security products have been made in America since 1946. And no matter where you buy American Security safes, our products are supported by American men and women ready to help protect what matters most. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this brief video. And if you would like to find more information about our company, you can go to americansecuritysafes.com.